Ooh. Do you want some? Do you want some? Oh. Sweetie, would you like just one piece? Would you like this? What about this? Or would you like this? And now, your two favorites. Let's start with salami. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Okay, happy. Would you like some schnitzel? This one? Kissy, 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 kissy. Are you happy? Yeah.
I think he wants some more.
Want some more? You want some more?
Of course he wants some more. Give her the whole platter. Let's see what he picks first.
Of course, Licious, of course.
Let's see this one. After you ate the food, you ate the meat, of course. Oh, I was not expecting that. He ate the meat and now he's tearing up that beans. Man,
You really like that.
he really likes food. Oh man, dude, that's not beef, man.
Oh my.
That's not beef, bro.
Chicken. Chicken flavor. And
Hey.
now? Okay, I want a kiss for that. Okay? Yep. Oh, sweetie. And now tell your fans what you like to do.